A massive explosion tore through the government-sensitive security agency office at Khyber Road in Peshawar and damaged several nearby buildings along with many cars parked near other offices in the garrison area early on Friday.
I was in my house and getting ready for the morning prayer. I heard firing. Just after that, a huge blast took place. Then clouds of smoke started rising and nothing could be seen after that.
Following this, a bomb exploded in the police station in Banu, a city of northwest frontier province in Pakistan, killing 10 people and leaving 24 injured. And more terrible was the blast that took place 2 days ago in Charsada near Peshawar, which took lives of 34, including 6 children and 3 women, and injured more than 100.
This is a war between two sides, and as such, there shall be losses on both the sides. Sometimes we do succeed, and sometimes they do. And as we get prepared for this war, so they do. But I believe the ultimate victory will be of the people of Pakistan.
There seems to be no let-up in this unrest-hit provincial metropolis, as 3 attacks have rocked the city just in 2 weeks. The attack on the government-sensitive security agency is a clear indication of reign of terror in Peshawar, despite the government's strong inclination to overcome and eliminate those who aim at destabilizing Pakistan. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.